Ever wondered if you could grow your wealth while sipping your morning coffee? Or perhaps while you're catching up on your favorite Netflix show? Well, that's where Raiz comes in. But is it really a good investment platform? Let's dive in. Understanding Raiz. Raiz is a popular micro-investing app that's taken the investment world by storm. It's designed to make investing as effortless as possible, allowing you to invest small amounts regularly. But before you dive headfirst, let's break down how it works. How Raiz works. Set it and forget it. You link your bank account to Raiz and set up automatic, recurring transfers. Diversification. Your money is automatically invested across a diversified portfolio of ETFs. This spreads risk and increases potential returns. Roundups. Raiz can round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change. Dollar cost averaging. By investing regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. The pros of Raiz. Accessibility. Raiz makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of income or investment knowledge. Automation. Set it and forget it. Perfect for those who want a hands-off approach. Diversification. Your money is spread across various asset classes, reducing risk. Dollar cost averaging, a proven strategy for long-term investing. Ethical investing. Raiz offers ethical investment options for those who care about social and environmental impact. The cons of Raiz. Fees. While the fees are relatively low, they can eat into your returns over time. Limited control. You have less control over your investments compared to traditional brokerage accounts. Market volatility. Your investments are subject to market fluctuations. Is Raiz right for you? Raiz is a great option for beginners. It's a low-risk way to start investing. Busy people. Automation makes it easy to save and invest. Those seeking diversification, Raiz offers a diversified portfolio. However, if you're looking for more control over your investments or have specific financial goals, you might consider a traditional brokerage account. Final thoughts. Raiz is a user-friendly platform that can help you build wealth over time. However, it's important to understand the fees and limitations. Before making a decision, consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment knowledge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.